Hey YouTubers, good morning. Robb's Homemade Life. I was thinking about what to have for lunch today, and I was thinking maybe a little lentil soup. I've never made it in the rice cooker before, but apparently, apparently you can make lentil soup in the rice cooker. This is the Aroma rice cooker. This here is 1/2 of a cup. The Aroma cooker comes with this little guy as a half cup. That's half cup of brown lentils. It's washed, inspected for stones, which is going to make my dentist very unhappy that I did that. He prefers when I leave the stones in there and have to get a $2,800 crown that still is unpleasant to feel and think about. Then we're going to we're going to be adding our vegetables. Our one potato cut in chunks, because it's a chunky kind of day. Carrots, one carrot, one stalk of celery. Is a stalk of celery one piece of a celery? Is that the whole thing? Or is that called a rib? What do they call the thing of celery? Is it just one celery is a stalk, or a bunch of them are stalk and one is a rib? I never could get that straight. We got some 3 cups of water, because half a cup of lentils, and we got 3 cups of water. It seems like a lot. We're going to add a tiny bit of turmeric for color, not for taste, because who in heck likes the taste of turmeric? Get in there. We want some color. Color. There we go. Going to have some onion flakes, because I got onions in the refrigerator, but I would rather let them sprout, apparently. A little Italian seasoning. That's a lot, actually. Some garlic. This is the garlic household. We believe in garlic. Garlic is sold here. We're going to put in a little bit of pepper, and we're going to put in a little bit of pepper flakes, red pepper. Give it a little bit of kick. Get in there. And add some parsley, which is the superfood, and just a little bit of this oak leaf Cabernet from Walmart, $4 a pop, and a couple of these pork sausages. That way I'll make all my vegetarian viewers unhappy. Alrighty, get in there, get in there, get in my belly. Okay, we're gonna turn it on and keep doing cycles until the vegetables and the lentils are done. Come back later. Okay, everybody, I've never made this lentil soup before, so let's see what it looks like. This is more like a stew. You know, this was only 1/2 a cup of lentils and 6 cups of water, and look how thick it is. That's pretty amazing. I like that these potatoes and the carrots and the celery are nice, thick, chunky pieces. Chop up Mr. Sausage. This is so thick I didn't need to add sausage. I was thinking we'd need it for the flavors, but this really thickened up. My goodness. You know, I was going to add some little soup crackers, but I don't think I will now. That's thick enough. Mucho thicko. Yeah. I have some cheese I could throw in there, but I think I'm just going to see what it tastes like on its own. That's not bad. Try the lentils all by themselves. This is good. There was no bouillon added to it. Just 2 little small pork sausages. Try that carrot. We'll try the celery. This is a very hearty meal. I could see having this with some rice on the side, which I may do. So yeah, I think this is an extraordinarily inexpensive meal. Look how many servings we have. And it was 1/2 of a cup. So yeah, I'm going to make this again. I didn't add any salt. It could use a little salt, but not too much. Actually, it's pretty good by itself. I don't want to. I don't know if that wine helped at all, but I don't think it hurt the amount we used. It's good to have like a little bit of a vinegar from the wine. Okay, guys, that's a win. We got a win, another win for the rice cooker. Hope this was helpful. Take care. Check out my other videos on the rice cooker. I'm making a series of these. It looks like, because I have to eat every day. And I have to make videos because I'm addicted. 1,800, 1,700 videos, something like that. Over 18 years, once a week. Looks like this week, that's every day. All right, I got to eat more and talk less. All right, guys, take care. See you out there.